Welcome dear students. In my course Determinant of Quality of Life, today's the topic is Psychological Perspectives on Values. Content of this module is Foundation of Value System, Values for Self-Improvement, Values for Societal Transformation and Integration and Practices. Learning objectives of this module is, by the end of this session, learners will be able to understand psychological definition and framework of understanding human values, critically analyze major psychological theories explaining value development, internationalization and expressions, evaluate the role of values in identity formation, decision making and psychological well-being, apply psychological theories to real-world values dilemmas in personal and professional context. Conceptual foundation. What are the values? A psychological definition. We discuss here in this slide. Values are enduring cognitive emotional beliefs about desirable goals or modes of behavior. They serve as internal guiding standards influencing perceptions, motivation and action. Core characteristics of values are cognitive, that is the embedded in mental structure and decision schemas. Affective domains evoke emotional investment and loyalty. Motivational is drive goals and behavior regulations. And in hierarchical is organized in a personal system of importance. Major psychological theories of values are Shewhart's theory of basic human values proposes 10 universal value types. Example, that is the self-direction, conformity and universalism. Values are positions in circumplex model, reflecting compatibility or conflict. Dimensions is openness to change and conservation is vice versa. Self-enhancement versus self-transcendence is vice versa. Application of this theory is used widely in cross-cultural and organizational research. Rockach values system divides values into terminal values, desired end state, example peace and wisdom, and instrumental values, preferred way of behaving, that is honesty and responsibility. Emphasizes the value hierarchy in guiding behavior and preferences. Maslow's hierarchy and value shift. As individual meets basic needs, their value-oriented moves toward, that is the growth-oriented values, that is creativity, altruism and authenticity. Self-actualization values arise from fulfilled psychological state. Kohlberg's moral development theories explain value maturation via moral reasoning stages is from pre-conventional to conventional and post-conventional. Emphasizes justice, duty and human right as emerging moral values. Critique for neglecting care-based or relational ethics, that is Gilligan's ethic of care. Values, self and identity. Carl Roger's humanistic psychology, that is, values that align with the real self, promote psychological congruence and well-being. Incongruence between internalized values and lived reality leads to conflict and distress. Emphasizes, that is, the authenticity, unconditional positive regards, and self-worth. Self-determination theory by Deci and Ryan focuses on values as internalized goals driving intrinsic motivation. 3 psychological needs associated with the values are autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Differentiate between introjected values, that is, the external pressure, versus integrated values, that is, the internal coherence. Emotional cognition and value conflicts is cognitive dissonance, that is, Festinger. When behavior contradicts values, create discomfort, that motivation to resolve dissonance. Responses are change behavior, adjust values, or justify contradiction. Emotional intelligence and value expression by Goleman. Values such as empathy, patience, and respect are fundamental to socially intelligent behavior. When emotional intelligence leads to better ethical decision making and conflict reasoning. Social learning theory by Bandura that shows values are learned through observation, modeling, and reinforcement. Reinforce, that is, the positive feedback or negative feedback by family, culture, media, and education. Support the concept of value transmission across generation to generation. Application and integration of this is real life application is shown in case analysis. You do the case analysis in your worksheet, that is value conflict in corporate, whistleblowing, that is integrity versus loyalty, environmental activism, that is comfort versus sustainability, and mental health profession, that is autonomy versus non-malfeasance. Reflective exercise for you, the students, you identify your top 5 values using Schwartz or Rock's framework. Reflect, are your life choices aligned with these values that you identify? Discuss potential incongruence and strategies for realignment. Key takeaway of this module. Values are multidimensional psychological constructs that guide thought, emotion, and behavior. Psychological theories provide rich insight into how values are formed, internalized, and manifested. Value development is a lifelong process influenced by cognitive development, socialization, personal growth, and emotional intelligence. Alignment between personal values and action contribute significantly to well-being and ethical living. Understanding psychological perspectives allows professionals to navigate value conflict and enhance personal and professional decision making. Conclusion of this module are the psychological understanding of values equips us with the tools to explore our internal world of belief, evaluate our motivations and actions, and recognize how these elements interact with external influences like culture, society, and profession. For students, this knowledge forms the basis for ethically grounded, emotionally intelligent, and value-driven leadership in both personal and professional life. Thank you.